Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Messenger group chat or need to remove someone for any reason, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to remove a member from a group chat in Messenger. Whether you're managing a project, planning an event, or just keeping your friends' circle organized, these steps will help you keep your group chat exactly how you want it. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, find the group chat from which you want to remove someone. Tap on that group chat to open the conversation. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see either the group name or a row of profile icons representing the group members. Go ahead and tap on the group name or those profile icons. This will take you to the group's details page, where you can see more information about the chat and its members. Next, look for the option that says See Members. Tap on this, and you'll get a full list of everyone who's currently in the group chat. Scroll through the list until you find the person you want to remove. Once you've found them, tap on their name. This will bring up a few options. One of these will be Remove from Group Chat. Tap on that, and Messenger will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm, and just like that, the person will be removed from the group chat. It's important to note that only group admins have the ability to remove members. If you don't see the option to remove someone, you might need to ask an admin for help. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove someone from a group chat in Messenger with just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.